Welcome to all in session number 9 of Word Power Made Easy. Now we are going to study the words in little bit more detail. Orthodontist, we already discussed about the ortho. Ortho means straight and dontist means teeth. So something related to straightening of the teeth is known as orthodontist. So orthodontist is a person who is specializing in straightening the teeth of the person. So that person is known as orthodontist. Pedodontist. Pedo means foot. Pedo means child and dontist means tooth. If somebody is specializing in straightening the tooth or taking care of the tooth of the child is known as pedodontist. Periodontist. Now what is the meaning of perio? Perio means around. Let's say this is teeth. This is the teeth. So around teeth, if somebody is studying the things which are around the teeth, then he is known as a periodontist. So periodontist means around the teeth what? There is a gum, so he is known as a gum specialist. Endodontist. Endo means inner. Endo means inner. Endodontist. So endodontist. Endodontist means inner tooth. If somebody is taking care of the root canal, for example, and root canal is inner the tooth, so that doctor is known as endodontist. Optometrist. Again, opto means eye and metrist means measurement. So eye measurement is known as optometrist. Metron is a root word. Metron means measurement, is a root word. So we have a words like thermometer. Now what is the meaning of thermo? Thermo means heat and meter means measurement. So when you are measuring the heat of something, then you need a thermometer. Same is with the barometer. So it is made from baro plus meter. Baro means weight. Baro means weight. And meter means measurement. So barometer means an instrument that measures the atmospheric pressure. And sphygmomanometer. Sphygmo. Manometer. Sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer, a device for measuring the blood pressure. Bones, feet and hands. Osteopath. Osteo means bones and part means suffering. So somebody is suffering from bone disease, then you have to go to the osteopath. Podiatrist. Now what is the podio? Podio means feet and iteria means medical healing. A root word podos is found also in octopus. Octo means 8 and podo means leg or hand. So there is a creature like 8 legs are there. That creature is known as octopus. Platypus. Platy means broad. So you can say there is a plateau. There is a plateau in Assam. Plateau means there is a hills and then there are areas which are flat. So that flat area is known as plateaus. So platypus means flat foot. Now if you study the foot of somebody, the foot is like this. But if someone's foot is like this, it means it is very straight. That person is not a flat foot people. And these flat foot people will not be taken in military, because if your foot is flat, you cannot run fast. Podium. Podium means speaker. There is a podium like this, and behind the podium if somebody is speaking. So this is called podium. Tripod. Tripod means something like that. There are 3 legs and there is something on it. So tri means 3 and pod means leg. Tripod. Chiropodist. Chiropodist means somebody who is healing someone with the hands. So podos, podo, pod, podo means leg or hand. Chiropractors is somebody who is healing someone with the hands, and chirography and choreographic. Forte means prediction. Now, from these words, you have to find out the relevant word. Orthodontia. So first, understand the word. Ortho means straight, dontia means teeth. Now, you have to find out which one is connected. So this one is connected. So this is one. Pedodontia. Pedodontia means somebody who is expert in child dentistry, because pedo means child and dontia means teeth. Periodontia. Periodontia means specialty of the gums. Now, perio means outside, dontia means teeth. So surrounding the teeth is known as a gum specialist. So he is known as periodontia. Endodontia. Endo means inner. Endo means inner and dontia means teeth. So it is related to something inner of the teeth, then that person is known as a root canal specialist. So this is number 5. Barometer. Barometer means an instrument that measures the atmospheric pressure. Sorry, this, not this. Exodontia. Exodontia means root extradiction, to take out the tooth outside. Barometer we already know. Sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer means it is related to the blood pressure apparatus. Osteopathy. Osteopathy means this is known as osteopathy. Podiatry. Podiatry means treatment of minor ailments of the foot. And thermometer. Thermometer means which is measuring the heat of something. So that is known as thermometer. So that is an instrument to measure the heat. So this is 10. Orthodontia is a branch of dentistry, correct? Doctors are sphygmomanometers to check the blood pressure. Sphygmomanometer is for the blood pressure only. So yes. Osteopathic physicians may use standard medical procedure. Of course, yes. Osteo means related to bones and pathic means suffering. Chiropractic deals with handwriting. Chiropractic is not dealing with the handwriting. They are dealing with the something related to the joints of the spine. So this is wrong. Chiropody and podiatry are synonymous terms. Yes. A podium is a place from which a lecture might be delivered. Yes. A pedodontist is a foot doctor. No. Pedo means child. Pedo means child and dontist means tooth. So expert in children tooth. Periodontist is a gum specialist. Of course, yes, because perio means surrounding and dontist means tooth. So this is correct. Gum specialist. Endodontist does root canal therapy. Of course, endo means inner. Endo means inner. Exodontist extract teeth. Yes. Barometer measures the heat. Barometer is not measuring the heat. It just measuring the atmospheric pressure. So no. An octopus has 8. Octo means 8. So correct. Platypus is a land animal. Platypus platy plus something flat. So no. A tripod has 4 legs. Tri means 3. So it has 3 legs, not 4 legs. A choreographer is an expert in penmanship. Yes. A cariomancer reads palms. Yes. Do you recall the words pertaining to the child dentistry? That is known as pedodontic. Pedo means child and dontic. Pertaining to the treatment of foot. Foot means podiatric. Blood pressure apparatus. PSPHY. Sphygmo. Manometer. Sphygmomanometer means blood pressure apparatus. 3-leg stand is known as tripod. Pertaining to the treatment of disease by manipulation of relief pressure of the bones and nerve and the blood, then it is known as osteopathic. 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 Pertaining to handwriting. Pertaining to handwriting means chirographic. Treatment to the illness of foot. Pertaining to handwriting, I think it is a graphologist. Treatment to the ailment of foot. Podogenic. Stand of the speaker. Podium. Dentist specializing in treatment of pulp of the tooth or doing root canal is known as a endodontist. Do you recall the words? Pertaining to the specialty of the tooth extraction is known as exodontic. Pertaining to the measurement of atmospheric pressure is known as barometric. Palm reading is chiromancy. Handwriting means chirography. The practice of manipulating bodily articulation to relieve ailments. Chiropractic. Egg laying animals. Platypus. 8-armed sea creation. Octopus. Instrument of measuring heat. Thermo means heat, so thermometer. So here we are ending the session 9. Again I am providing you the details of PDF in a description box. You have to download the PDF which is given in the description box. Watch the video and fill up the PDF by your own, and that is the best way to put your brain at work, and you will understand the vocab in much more detail. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.